Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be taking a look at what could very well be the best USB microphone under $25. This is the Fifine K052 USB gooseneck microphone, and right now it retails on Amazon for $24.99. At this price, the sound quality that you're going to get from this product is just unbeatable. Now, although this product's sound quality is high-end, its build quality unfortunately is not. The whole microphone is covered with this low-grade plastic that feels fragile, and on the bottom there is even this foam material that could easily peel off. On the front is a gain knob and mute button, which thankfully both feel quite sturdy, considering that you are going to be using these aspects of this product's design the most often. Moving upwards from the dials, you'll find the gooseneck portion of this microphone, which has two bend points allowing for precise adjustment. Judging by the fact that the gooseneck portion is made out of metal, I have a feeling that it is also going to be much more durable than the fragile base. Positioned at the very top of the gooseneck section, you'll find the microphone itself, along with a foam cover. As I said before, this is a USB microphone, so all you have to do to record is simply plug the USB cable into your computer. The cable is plenty long enough for most cases, but it is not removable from the base, so if you happen to break it, you're out of luck. Now, to back up my claims on how good this device sounds, here is a microphone test. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. This is a microphone test of the Fifine K052 gooseneck USB microphone. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. So as you heard, the Fifine K052 sounds very clear for the price of only $25. And although it can be a bit tinny at times, and it has some problems as far as build quality, I still feel that this is the best beginner USB microphone for those who are looking to start a YouTube channel or podcast. Now granted, you can get a better sounding XLR microphone for less, but you do have to spend a little bit extra money on either an adapter or audio interface. So for those people who just want to plug and play, then this is the way to go. Big thanks to Fifine for sending this product out, and this has been another technology review video with Everyday Technology, and I'm Nate, and I'm signing out. Peace.